नवीन वस्तूंबद्दलची चर्चा. आपल्या मित्राच्या हातात एखादी नाविन्यपूर्ण गोष्ट दिसली तर आपण चौकशी करतोच ना. बहुतेक माझ्या मित्राच्या हातात एक नवीन मोबाईल आहे. विचारूया का? नेहा आणि मोनाच्या नवीन मोबाईलबद्दल चर्चा करत आहेत.
Hi Mona, where were you yesterday? My aunt came from the US. I was busy with her for the day. Oh wow, a new cell phone. Yeah, my aunt brought this for me from the US. What's the model? Nokia 9955. Ooh, you got the latest one. Yeah, you know I was about to buy a new phone. Luckily, my aunt brought one for me. What are the features? It has 3 megapixel camera with built-in flash, MP4 player, FM. Does it have Bluetooth? Yes, it also has infrared. And how much memory does it have? It has 8 GB memory and touch panel operations. Do you have any songs? Can I listen to them? How's the sound quality? It's great. Try it yourself. God, you are so lucky. Yes. Now I can buy a digital camera from the money I saved. Inform me too. Even I'm planning to buy a new cell phone. Okay. Hey, it's time for our next class. We have to reach there in time. Yeah, we better hurry up. Okay.
विमा पॉलिसी. आजकाल जीवन विमा ही एक आवश्यक गोष्ट आहे. चला तर विम्याबद्दल चौकशी करू. सागरचा मित्र करण एक विमा एजंट आहे. जुना हप्ता व नवीन पॉलिसीबाबत सागर करण बरोबर चर्चा करत आहे.
Hey Karan, long time, huh?
Yeah, I was busy with business. I have to travel a lot for this insurance business. Hey, you have to pay your premium this month.
Oh, thanks for reminding me. Can I give you the check now?
Yes, sure. There are some good money-back policies. I think you should go for one.
Thanks. I was just planning for one. I have to invest for tax savings. So tell me about some new policies.
I can suggest one for your newborn daughter. This one will give excellent returns. It will mature in 20 years. Perfect time when you will need money for her education or marriage. And the life insurance benefits are also there.
What's the premium?
It depends on the policy value.
When do I pay the premium?
You can pay yearly, half yearly or quarterly. It depends on you.
I think yearly payment will be better.
So, when shall I come to complete the formalities?
Are you free next Monday?
Okay, I will come on Monday. But before that, I will SMS you the premium amount so that you can keep the check ready.
Tell me if you need any other papers.
No. Still, I will inquire and let you know before Monday. Okay, now I have to leave. I have some appointments close by. See you on Monday.
Okay then, bye. Have a nice day. Take care.